Hey, I'm glad to see you back. Today what we're going to do now is work on the content of your post. We're going to keep it very straightforward here. If you'll notice inside here, this is just a very simple word editor. Now if for some reason you happen to only see one line, all you need to do is click on the kitchen sink and it will open up for you. One thing I do recommend if you're new to WordPress is have one post like this and just keep it in draft and start playing with all the different functions to see what they do. That'll really help you later as you become an author with us, and you can start doing shortcodes and start practicing with some of the other more difficult advanced level features of WordPress. Now today what we're going to simply do is I have some content that I would like to paste in this area. Now if you'll notice over here, we've got a couple of different views. We have a visual view and we also have a text view, and it does change the different editor features. On a visual view, you can think of this area is if you're just free typing and you've got something you want to type from your heart and it's on the tip of your tongue and you've just got to get it out and you're going to do a video and you're excited, this is the area that you want to use. If you do have something planned like I do, and I have a speaking event that I'm about to promote for Jennifer soon, then with this, what we would want to do is actually go to the area or the document that you have your content saved. And here I do have my content, so I'm going to actually copy this, and then we're going to go back into the back of the WordPress. In the text are what we call HTML view. If you have a WordPress that's not been updated recently, yours will look like HTML. The more updated WordPress versions do have text now. So you would just click inside the body of this, and then we're just going to paste our content. Now I have a little bit of page styling I'd like to do for this, okay? So I am going to, first of all, let's kind of space this out. And why don't we go to the visual first, because that's going to look a little bit easier to clean up. So I'm going to kind of take a little spaces here, and we're going to do a little bit of just division of content. And we may go back and do a little bit more changing here. That's okay. So sometimes I like to do this just to kind of get an idea of, you know, where I am with things. I know after this, this is actually the deliverables from the speaking event. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go up to the top here, and I'm going to be using this little section that has a drop down called paragraph. And what this does is it just causes some different formatting, but also we use different headers sometimes that also Google can really pick up. So I do like to do this at times when I do have certain things that I'm really focused on. And here it's all about Sir National and Jennifer Bagley speaking. So I'm going to probably make that a heading 3. About Sir National would be kind of like the topic of this one, and I'm going to make that one a heading 4. And then about Sir National, I have different things about them. So I'm going to make this probably a header 5. We're going to bring that down just a little bit here. And make mission, we're going to go ahead and make vision a heading 5. And we'll go ahead and move forward here and make about the speaker. Again, we're now talking about a new area. So I'm going to make that a heading 4. And then with Jennifer, she does have some deliverables that we are going to include, and I'll go ahead and make that a 4 as well. Now if you want to make some bullet points, you can on here. We have short codes that'll do this as well, but you can actually click on these and that'll take care of making some bullet points for you as well. Now after you're done, you want to save to draft. And that, folks, is how you add content for your blog post. Now, y'all stay tuned, because now we're going to work on the peripheral area to include categories, tags, and also on-page SEO. This is Kathy with DNet Support, and I'll catch you on the next video.